Ayan anak, tumatanda na ang nanay mo. Sana nga, makapunta na kayo lahat dito.
Bob, may plano ka bang bumukod tayo?
Ito na naman tayo Cecil. Alam mo namang part-time student ako uli.
You know, we could have avoided this whole thing.
Bakit ba ako sinisisi mo?
Siyempre, iba pa rin pag nandito kayo.
He always likes to stay there as if he doesn't have a house.
Balik ka na, Ma. Kailangan ka namin.
Father, why do some people suffer more than others?
You know, that's the thing. He needs to be responsible.
Kasapin ko siya, Mama Eunice.
Kailan kayo pupunta pag wala na ako?